What if waiting for an organ transplant became a thing of the past? Welcome to the world of 3D bioprinting, where scientists are engineering tissues and organs with unprecedented precision. Using special bioinks made of living cells, advanced printers now construct complex structures that closely mimic real human tissues. In recent breakthroughs, researchers have successfully printed functional mini hearts, livers, and kidneys in the lab. These tissues are not just models. They can actually perform vital biological functions, bringing us closer than ever to printing full-sized organs suitable for transplantation. Bioprinting allows for custom designs, matching each patient's unique anatomy, which significantly reduces the risk of rejection and complications. Challenges remain, such as creating intricate blood vessel networks to supply nutrients deep inside thick tissues, but innovative techniques are rapidly overcoming these hurdles. As hospitals and biotech startups race to refine this technology, the dream of on-demand organ printing is becoming a reality, promising to save countless lives and revolutionize medicine forever.